Hey guys, what's up? In this video we're going to be creating an avatar command. This to demonstrate the use of arguments in a slash command. So we'll go ahead and start by creating our avatar command file. It's still a utility command, so we'll keep it in that folder. And now, just like last time, we're going to go ahead and import our command class from Sapphire Framework. Before I forget as well, we also need the application command register. There we go. We'll also want the type of chat input command interaction from discord.js. And we're using TypeScript, so let's go ahead and import our apply options on the decorators. Okay. So let's go ahead and define our command. So the name is going to be avatar. The descript. Oh, yeah. Right. We want command.options in here. There we go. Or it's a generic type. Right, description. Get the user's avatar. And yeah, we should be able to now export default class avatar command extends the Sapphire command class. Now we're going to do the actual registering of the slash command. So public override register application commands, which takes a registry. And then within that, we're going to do registry.register chat input command, which will take a command. And with that, we can now set the command name to this.name like we did in the last video. Same with description. And this time, we're going to be... Let me just make this look tidier. There we go. This time we have an argument, so we're going to add a user option because we want to be able to provide a user. So we're going to do option.setName, which is going to be user. Set description, the user to check, and we're not going to require it. Because if they don't provide a user, we'll just simply fall back to the interaction user. Okay. This is HostingBot, a cheap, fast and reliable hosting provider. They provide a range of affordable VPS plans to suit your hosting needs. And it gets even more affordable. Use code REVELATIONS at checkout, 30% off every month. If you're still in doubt, look at all these happy customers. So we'll now go ahead and do the public chat input run function, which is where our chat input command interaction goes. And we're going to want a constant for our user, so it's going to be interaction.options.getUser. And we want to use the same name as we used here. Okay. If there's not a user, we'll just simply return the interaction.user, like so. So now what we're going to do is we'll do it as an attachment. Yeah. So let's import attachment builder from discord.js. And we'll create the attachment right here, which is going to be a new attachment builder. Attachment takes a buffer resolvable, so that should be fine. Let's enable GIF if applicable, and the size, let's make that 2048. And yeah, that should be good, I think. And we want to give the file a name. Let's do... Actually, no, we don't need to give it a name. It'll be fine like this. I'm just a bit... I don't know if that extension's going to work, but there's one way to find out. What us programmers have to do, trial and error. But yeah, simply return interaction dot reply, and then in there we're going to have our content avatar of user.username, and then attachments. How do we put in an attachment? Files. And we pass through the attachment like so. And that should work. So let's go ahead and compile and test it. So TFC, and oh yeah, I changed the token from last video. Let me fix that. Alright, let's try that again. So node. Alright, cool. 2 global commands. Yeah, that's correct. Let's get testing. So here we are in the testing area. You can go ahead and run the avatar command with no argument, and that returns my avatar. And now we can go ahead and do avatar with Stasium as the argument, and we have his avatar. And then let's just do the bot's avatar for fun. And there it is. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.